Want to get photos off your iPhone? Whether you're switching devices or just backing up memories, here are 6 easy ways to do it. Let's dive in. Part 1. Best way to get photos off iPhone with Assistant for iOS. If you wanted to get photos off iPhone and save them on your Windows or Mac computer with ease, then you can try this method with the third-party tool Assistant for iOS. Firstly, install and launch Assistant for iOS on your computer. Connect your iPhone to your computer via USB cable. Wait until it detects the connected iPhone, and you can see an interface like below. Select Photos from the left sidebar to scan all iPhone photos. Preview. Choose the ones to export, and click Export to save them to your computer. Done. Part 2. How to get photos off iPhone via File Explorer. Connect your iPhone to your PC via USB, and tap Trust this computer if prompted. Open this PC, double-click your iPhone, and go to Internal Storage, DSIM. Open Folders, select Photos, and copy them to your PC. Part 3. How to get pictures off iPhone via Photos app. Open the Photos app on your Mac. Connect your iPhone via USB and click Import. Select Photos and choose Import Selected or Import All New Photos to transfer. How to take photos off iPhone to Mac. Open the Photos app on your Mac. Connect your iPhone via USB and click Import. Select Photos and choose Import Selected or Import All New Photos to transfer. Part 4. How to take photos off iPhone with iCloud. Connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi. Enable iCloud Photos in Settings. Install iCloud for Windows. Sign in. Check Photos options. Then click Done. Apply to download photos. How do I take pictures off my iPhone to Mac with iCloud? Sync iPhone photos to iCloud. On Mac, open Photos. Enable iCloud Photos in System Preferences, then select and download photos. Part 5. How to pull photos off iPhone via AirDrop. Enable AirDrop on both devices. Set discoverability to everyone or contacts only. In Photos, select Images, tap Share, AirDrop, and choose your Mac. Accept the transfer to save photos and downloads. Part 6. How to get photos off iPhone using email. Open Photos on your iPhone, select Images, tap Share Mail, and send them to your email. On your PC, log in and download the photos.